Hello traders, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the power of 3 drive in forex trading. I'm telling you for sure, many traders are struggling with entries in forex trading, and personally I like using real market or live market, and here I'm on a demo account. I'm on volatility 25. This strategy works both on synthetic indices, both works on other assets classes, other currencies. You can go to forex market, you can go to the stock market, and many more other like the cryptocurrency and the like. So here guys, as you can see, I'm on a demo. To be real, I'm on a demo account. The power of 3 are many. Here you can see 3 weeks. When I saw the 2 weeks, this was a kind of rejection. Remember, we are in an uptrend. One thing I should tell you guys, keep in mind the trend you are in. And currently I'm in a downtrend. If I can zoom my phone, you can clearly see that I am in a downtrend. However, you can see that in here we have something like a support level, and as you can well see or realize that the other indicator of mine, you can watch the video. I will show you that one. I already have a video downloaded about this indicator. It is at the oversold region at level 10. So when I saw this powerful 3 drive, the 2 rejections, I knew the third one is coming to give us entries, guys. And my stop loss was below this low. Guys, I had to place all this. The question is, I have not waited for a break of structure to give me entries, which means this is an aggressive entry with 2 confirmation, the power of 3 plus this indicator which is at the oversold region. So guys, should I be expecting much from this market? No. Obviously, once I'm in the blues, as you can see, I'm in already blues. I use the smallest or the lowest lot size. If I was using maybe a higher one, I can begin closing, and I leave either one running, or I can choose to close all. Right now, this is one example. The 3 drive I'm talking about is these 3 rejection lines or wicks. They are called wicks or shadows in forex trading. Right, so let me show you another good example what I mean. All right, so can you check here, guys? Can you check here? Let me show you something. Look here. 1, 2, 3. So once you count 2, the second one and is taken out, price closes below. Let me show you. Right, for example, this is the first one, this is the second one. So once price closes below like this, sorry guys, sorry, and price closes below like that bearish candle, then you can find your entry, and the entry could be here. This pullback on a lower time frame, probably M30. Right, let me show you. Let me go to M30. This is the week I want. Sorry. Right, so if I go to M30, right, this is the entry, guys. You would have found your entry here, and you target which lows. Let's get back to H1. You see, you could have targeted somewhere like here, you see the lows. So that's another example. So here, let me, you can begin to close as I told you, but let me close a few positions. Let me close a few positions. I close a few positions. I want to remain with one. All right. And let's move to probably a break even. And even if you are taken out, so let me go to break even. This is 1853. Right, when I say break even, I mean this one. These are the figures I'm reading. 1853 444. Right, you go here, hold, modify, you go to 1853 444. I haven't put this the take profit. If I want to put the take profit, I can go here. For example, I say if price reaches at 1859 or 1860, let me make it 1860 here. All right, sell for me. Rather exit. I will be commanding the leave when price reaches here at 1860. Then sell it for me. I will be exiting. So I'll go here and put the take profit at 1860. So which means these are this is my exit point, and I'll be moving out, and I'm free of losses. All right, so let me show you another good example of the power of thread drive. Let me use this one. Okay. All right, so look here, the power of thread drive I'm talking about. Look here guys. Okay, let me use another one. Right. Okay, let me use this one. For example, this is the first high being taken out. Right, this is the first high, number 1. 2, this is another high. Sorry, this is let me draw it perfectly. Another high being taken out. Are you seeing, guys? So this becomes 1, 2. Then when the second is taken out, that forms what we are calling the third drive. This is the third drive. Okay, and this one will give us the third high. Sorry, let me bring it. It's here, right? You can see, and price had to rally down, or move down. So the take profit would be here in this region. This would be the take profit, and leave the rest running. Okay. So that's the power of 3. Normally happens when price is so close, when there are no gaps in between. Rather, when price is not scattered, you see the swing points are so close. That's when you the power of 3 works perfectly well. Okay. All right. Okay. This happens to trap traders to feel or think that price is likely to continue in such a direction, and after doing the 3 drive, price changes the direction. The other thing which happens here, the same. You can see this is the first low in the opposite direction. This is the first low, right? And for you, continue thinking price is going to continue selling because you're in a downtrend. This is another one, right? So when this one is taken out, this forms the third low, and this becomes the last one. So where is your entry? Your entry should be, let me show you that one. Let me pull out my fib. It started from here, right? So once price has gone past the 50 Fibonacci level, let me show you. Once price has gone past this level, you can look for your entry. You can even use the moving average. You can see these kind of rejections, then you target the other next high. Let me show you the high I'm talking about. The high I'm talking about is this one. This one can be your take profit, right? And you can see it was smashed, right? That would be your take profit. So that's it, guys. I can give you more examples, but I hope you can be able to understand the point I'm bringing forth. Once you do it kindly, you can be trapping your entries using the lower time frames, the moving average. At the same time, you can use either, you can be aggressive or be conservative by entering above 50% fib level. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, kindly subscribe, like my video, and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos.